Today we're going to make this cute little bread dog. We need a 1.2 meters long corkscrew. We leave 3/4 of the palm length because the dog's face and forehead are a little bigger. So we go around 2 fingers 3 times. Then we press down the long one to fix it. Next, use the long corkscrew to pass through the middle hole. Pull it down to leave the length of the dog's ears, about a finger's distance. Do the same thing again. So we have the dog's ears. Pay attention to maintain the same length. We can twist it and fix it. Then put it down and look at the length. Then we use the long corkscrew to press the top 2. Pass through the bottom one. To make the dog's corkscrew and forehead, we repeat the same action. The dog's head is done. Next, let's make the dog's body. We fold it and make its left foot. The right side is also symmetrically folded to the same length. Twist and fix. The same way for the 2 legs below. The legs below can be slightly shorter than the top. The rest of the corkscrew we wrap around the dog's body. We can put the dog's legs down. Then put the head on. So we have the dog's heart. Next, we start to trim the hair. We use the corkscrew to trim all the hair. Then press the dog's eyes and nose. Make it more obvious. Next, we can start to trim the hair along the dog's outline. I will focus on the position of the eyes. Make it more obvious. Make it cuter. After the shape is roughly embroidered, we can put the eyes and nose, then trim it more precisely. The dog is done. Finally, we put the accessories we like on it. Put on the clothes you like. I put a magic sticker on the dog's feet. You can stick it on the base and take it off. The small accessories on the base can also be used to assemble the accessories you like. For example, put some bread in this bread bag. Put some snacks and coffee on the plate. Just fix it with hot glue. Our bread dog is done.